Welcome back to Shift Zone, your trusted destination for detailed car reviews, future-ready automotive insights, and honest analysis that helps you understand what a vehicle truly offers beyond the brochure. Today at Shift Zone, we are taking a deep and complete look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with modern design, advanced technology, and global appeal. This review covers everything you need to know about the 2026 Corolla Cross, including design, performance, interior comfort, safety, efficiency, and how it performs across different markets worldwide. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross carries a more confident and mature design compared to earlier versions, making it feel closer to a premium compact SUV rather than just a raised hatchback. The front fascia has been sharpened with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and stronger character lines that give the car a bold road presence. Toyota has clearly focused on making the Corolla Cross look more aggressive yet refined, ensuring it appeals to both young buyers and family-oriented customers. The side profile remains balanced with subtle cladding and aerodynamic lines, while the rear design looks clean and modern with updated LED tail lamps and a sportier bumper finish. Overall, the 2026 model feels more polished and global in its styling approach. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross continues to offer multiple powertrain options depending on the market. In many regions, it comes with a 2.0-liter petrol engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance, ideal for daily commuting and highway cruising. The engine focuses more on efficiency and refinement rather than outright sportiness, which aligns perfectly with the Corolla Cross's purpose. Toyota also offers a hybrid variant in several countries, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver excellent fuel economy and quieter driving, especially in city traffic. The hybrid system feels responsive, seamless, and extremely efficient, making it one of the strongest selling points of the Corolla Cross globally. Driving the 2026 Corolla Cross feels comfortable and predictable, which is exactly what most buyers in this segment want. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb rough roads and speed breakers with ease, making it suitable for urban environments as well as long highway journeys. Steering is light and easy at low speeds, helping during parking and tight turns, while remaining stable and confident at higher speeds. Noise insulation has improved in the 2026 model, reducing road and wind noise and making the cabin feel calmer. Whether you are driving in city traffic or cruising on open roads, the Corolla Cross delivers a relaxed and stress-free driving experience. Step inside the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, and you immediately notice Toyota's focus on practicality, comfort, and modern technology. The cabin design is clean and functional, with improved materials compared to previous models. Soft touch surfaces, well-finished panels, and thoughtful storage spaces make the interior feel well put together. The seating position is slightly elevated, giving the driver a commanding view of the road, which is one of the key advantages of choosing a compact SUV. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long drives less tiring for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard features an updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, offering smooth responsiveness and modern graphics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support are available, making smartphone connectivity easy and seamless. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information and adds a modern touch to the cabin. Climate control, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and smart key features ensure the Corolla Cross feels up to date with current buyer expectations. Toyota has kept the layout user-friendly, avoiding unnecessary complexity, which makes the car easy to live with on a daily basis. Rear seat comfort in the 2026 Corolla Cross is another strong point. There is ample legroom and headroom for passengers, making it suitable for small families and long trips. The rear seats offer good cushioning and back support, and the flat floor design in some variants improves overall comfort for middle seat passengers. Air vents for rear passengers in select markets add to the comfort, especially in hot climates. Boot space is generous for the segment, easily accommodating luggage, groceries, or weekend travel gear, making the Corolla Cross a practical choice for everyday use. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Corolla Cross continues that tradition with a strong focus on advanced safety features. Toyota Safety Sense is available in many markets, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work smoothly in real-world driving and enhance driver confidence without feeling intrusive. The car's solid build quality and multiple airbags further contribute to its safety credentials, making it a reliable option for families and safety-conscious buyers. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, especially in the hybrid variant. The hybrid model delivers impressive mileage figures, making it an ideal choice for buyers looking to reduce fuel costs and environmental impact. Even the petrol versions are tuned for efficiency, offering respectable fuel economy for a compact SUV. Toyota's proven engineering ensures long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs, which adds to the overall value of the Corolla Cross in both developed and emerging markets. Globally, the 2026 Corolla Cross is positioned as a versatile and adaptable vehicle. In markets like North America, it appeals to buyers looking for a compact, efficient SUV with Toyota reliability. In Asian markets, it attracts urban families and professionals who want comfort, efficiency, and brand trust. In regions like the Middle East, Latin America, and parts of Europe, the Corolla Cross is valued for its durability, fuel efficiency, and balanced performance. Pricing varies across countries, but Toyota aims to keep it competitive within the compact SUV segment, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers.